Seeking, the pinning will follow. The pin will be on the left side of the collar of their balloon.
Video lang ni, video lang.
Kuya, please raise your right hand.
Kulang, kompleto na to yung pin.
Have you consciously and really applied to be a member of Stadium Club? A club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Subscribing to the Philippine Eagles Constitution and believing in the ability as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born fraternal social civic organization, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Constitution, as well as all laws, rules, and regulations promulgated by the Philippine Eagles. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the said Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate issue of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, and with my national fraternity, and with my fellow leaders. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations, mga kuya. May I request the management to please turn on the lights. And may I request the newly inducted kuya to please distinguish your candle. Alright. Eagles Hymn Maestro. And may I request the sponsors, the wives of the newly inducted kuya to please spin the eagle spin at the left side of the collar of their